Hello students, let's continue with our exercise 2.5 of polynomials. We had completed question number 8 in the previous class. So let us quickly proceed to question number 9, wherein we have to proceed these two formulas, right? These are very important formulas that will come handy while solving other questions, not only in your class 9 but also in class 10. So, and even after that when you're taking maths or solving algebraic sums. Now, we are going to go ahead and first prove these sums using our algebraic identities, right? So, you have to prove that x cube plus y cube is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, correct? So, I am going to take my left hand side first. This is my left hand side, which is x cube plus y cube, right? I can't really solve this further, so I am going to leave it as it is. I am going to take my right hand side now. So, my right hand side is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, right? So, I am going to open the brackets and multiply each of these terms with the other bracket, right? So, this is nothing but equal to, so first I am taking x with this entire bracket. So, this is going to be equal to x into x square minus xy plus y square. Right? Now, I am going to take y, but this is a plus y. So, I take my plus y and now I am going to multiply y with this entire bracket, not just x square. I have pointed it to x square, but it means the entire bracket over here. Okay? So, y into x square minus xy plus y square. Correct? Now, I am going to open this bracket and solve and multiply x with each of these terms. Similarly, I will open this bracket and multiply y with each of these terms, right? So, this is going to be equal to x into x square is x cube minus then minus x into xy will give me minus x square y, and x into plus y square is going to give me plus xy square. Agreed? Now, let us take the other bracket. So, there is a plus sign in between. So, this is y into x square, which is x square y, plus y into minus xy. So, plus into minus is going to give me a minus. So, minus, now x into xy into y. So, xy square, right? And then finally, I have plus y into y square, which is y cube. Now, let us take a look for the similar terms and also arrange this into descending order of the exponents. So, first of all, I have minus x square y and plus xy square, x square y, right? These two terms are same, so with a negative and positive sign. So, these cancel out. Similarly, I have xy square and minus xy square. So, these two terms also cancel out. So, what are we left with finally? X cube plus y cube. Right? So, you see that the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, I will say since my left hand side is equal to the right hand side, my answer is x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Hence proved. Right? So, writing these three statements is very important after finding the proof, of course. Okay, and also this is a very important formula which you will see that we will be using in the forthcoming sums, right? Now, let us go ahead and solve the second question.
Ready.
So, my second question, it's almost the same as my first one, right? So, this is x minus y. So, I need to prove that x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square, right? Again, I am going to use the same strategy as the previous sums to solve this question. Also, this is a very important derivation which you will be using. So, you don't only have to solve this, but also remember this formula, okay? So, let me take my LHS. My LHS is x cube minus y cube. Now you can see that I can't really solve this further, so I keep it as it is for now. Then I take my right hand side. My right hand side is x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Right? Now I can solve this, right, by opening the brackets. So I am going to multiply the terms of bracket 1 individually with the terms of bracket 2, right? So this is equal to x into this bracket, which is x square plus xy plus y square, right? And I have minus y, so I multiply minus y with the second bracket once again, which is x square plus xy plus y square, right? So let us solve this bracket first. This is equal to x into x square gives me x cube, x into xy gives me x square y, and x into y square gives me xy square, correct? Now let's take this. You have minus y into x square gives me minus x square y. Similarly, minus y into plus xy gives me minus xy square, and minus y into y square gives me minus y cube, right? Now notice that x square y and minus x square y, so this cancels out. Similarly, xy square and minus xy square, they cancel out, right? Finally, I am left with what? X cube minus y cube. Therefore, you can see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Therefore, I write left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Therefore, x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square, right? Finally, hence proved. So we have verified these two formulas, okay? So you need to remember these two formulas as well. You will see that we will be using it to solve our question number 10, alright? So the formula is, let's repeat it once again, is x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So what do you have? You have x cube plus y cube. So since it is plus over here, the first term is going to be x plus y, and then the second bracket is x square, xy and y square with a negative sign for the middle term. Similarly, x cube minus y cube. See, in both these brackets, in both these factors, the terms are the same. That is, the first bracket has xy, the second bracket has x square, xy and y square. However, this sign depends upon what is there in your question, and this sign is opposite to what is there in your question. Similarly for this one, right? So this sign is similar to what is there in the question, and this sign is opposite of that, right? So with this, we wind up our question number 9 of exercise 2.5. We will continue with the remaining sums in the next class. Thank you.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.